Good morning, children. Today, exercise 13.3, you are going to learn about the right circular cone. So previously you have completed about cubes, cuboids and then cylinder. And today you are going to learn about the right circular cone. So this is a right circular cone. Here, so this cone shaped part will be called the curved surface area. So this part is called the curved surface area. So this is a cone shape. So these two sides they will meet at the point. So here this is called a cone and this part will be called the curved surface area. So this is also called the lateral surface area. So curved surface area, or this is also called the lateral surface area. So class, supposing this is a solid, in that case you will get one base. Supposing this is a solid one, you have got it a solid cone, assuming that this is a solid cone, and then so the base you will get a circular cone, you will get circular. So let the radius be r, radius is taken as r, this is the height of the cone, this is taken as h, and this part you will call it as the slant height, denoted by L. So here L denotes the slant height, a new term that you have got it now. So slant height, H-E-I-G-H-T, so slant height. So this is called the slant height, this is the height of the cone, and this is called the base radius. So here, now this is the right circular cone, because here you get the triangle is a, that means right angle triangle. So this triangle. So if this one is 90 degree, this will be the longest side. Generally you call it as the hypotenuse. So here this hypotenuse will be called as the slant height, denoted by small l. So now using the concept of Pythagoras Theorem, you will get that since this is the longest side, this is the L, this is called L, which is called slant height. So this one is given by L square equals to h square plus r square. This one you have got it from the concept of Pythagoras Theorem. So this is from the Pythagoras Theorem. So Pythagoras Theorem, you have got it. So now, so L square equals to h square plus r square. So you have got it from this. Again from this, you can get here h square. So supposing h square plus r square, you got here equals to l square. So that means slant height. So from here you can get h square. So h square equals to l square minus r square. So from this equation, or from this you can find out r square. So r square equals to l square minus h square. So you take this h square to this side. So h square minus h square. So these are the three formulas. So you have got it from the concept of Pythagoras Theorem. So here this is the height, this is the radius, and this is called the slant height, denoted by small l. So you have got it, since this is a right angle triangle. So using the concept of Pythagoras Theorem, you have got l square equals to h square plus r square, and from this you have got h square and then you have got r square. So then next one, you have got the curved surface area. So the curved surface area or the lateral surface area. So the same term, curved surface area is also called the lateral surface area of the cone. So of cone. So cone. This one you will get it by the formula. So it is pi r l. So here r is the radius, l is the slant height. So using pi r l, you will get the curved surface area of the cone. So this one is 1, this one you got 1, this one is 2. Then next one is the total surface area of cone. Total surface area. That means in this total surface area, you are going to take into account the curved surface area of cone, the curved surface area of cone plus its base area, base area. So the curved surface area of cone, you have got it by pi RL. So pi RL. So the curved surface area, so you got pi RL. So the curved surface area of cone, so it's given by pi RL plus the base area. So this is called the base. There is a circular part. This is the base area. So base area of this circle. So the base area refers to the base area of the circle. So the area of the circle is given by pi r square, which we have got in class 7 and 8. So pi r square. This is the formula for the area of the circle. So pi r square. So this part. Now you take it common. If you take common on these two sides, you have got pi r. There is also pi r. So you take the pi r common. So here you will get pi r into, so there is one L. So pi r L. So you got pi r L plus, so there is pi r square. So pi r into r. So pi r into r, pi r square. That means pi r into L plus r. This is the formula for the total surface area of the cone. So this one is formula number 3. Then number 4, you have got the volume of cone. So the volume of cone equals to, so the volume, as you know, that means the amount of space inside the container. So that means the volume, that is the amount of space occupied by the container. So to get the volume of this cone, you have the formula that is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here 1 by 3 pi r square h. H is the height, so height of the cone, and this r is the radius of the cone. So by using the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h, you will get the volume of the cone. So these are all total 4 formulas. So one is to get the Slant height using the formula L square equals to h square plus r square. So you will get the value of L, Slant height. Or sometimes you may need to find out h and r. So that time using this formula h square plus r square equals to L square. Now to get the height, h square equals to L square minus r square. So this is the next one. Again from this formula you will get r square equals to L square minus h square. So that means 1, 2, 3. This will be your 4. There is the curved surface area. Then the total surface area that is given by pi r into L plus r. And the lastly you have got the volume of cone that was given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here you got the special term that is the Slant height denoted by L. And the normal terms that were getting in, that is the base radius is denoted by small r, and then this is the height denoted by small h. So these are the total formula for the cone. Let us take for exercise 13.3, question number 1. So here diameter of the base of a cone. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter, and its Slant height, Slant height is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Find its curved surface area. Curved surface area. So these are very simple ones. Simply first you see what is given. What are the parameters they have given. So here, supposing this is a cone, this is a cone. So this is the base So the base is the circular one, and then this is the curved surface area of the cone. Now here they have given diameter of the base of a cone. So this is the base. So here the diameter. So this is the diameter of that is circle, which is the base. So it is given 10.5 centimeter. And then the slant height. So here slant height. So this is R, and then this is called L. So they have given this slant height. This is called slant height, and this is the height. So here slant height is given 10 centimeter. So this one is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So you are to find this curved surface area, which is also called the lateral surface area. So that means that one is given by. So the curved surface area is given by pi r l. So here r means radius. So this radius you will be getting it from this diameter. So making this diameter half, you will get radius, and then they have given L. L is what? Slant height. So here that one is given 10 centimeter. So now here solution. So here base radius. No need to write diameter. So base radius. So the denominator is small r equals to. So the diameter is 10.5. Radius will be half. So 10.5 divided by 2. Making it fraction, so 20 centimeter. So that means I have just removed the point, so it is 20. Now cancelling 5 to the 10, 5 into 1, 5 into 4. So you got 21 by 4 centimeter. Then here is slant height. So slant height they have given. So the slant height is denoted by say L, small l. So it is given 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter. Now to find is curved surface area. So therefore the curved surface area of cone equals to, so it is given by pi r l. So here pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 21 by 4 into the l. L is 10. So centimeter square, because we are finding the area. So now 7 into 3, 21. Then 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 5, 10. Then 2 into 11. So you got, that means 11 into 15. So that means 3 into 5, 15. So 11 into 15 centimeter square. So you got 11 into 5, 55. So 165 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of the cone that was given by pi r l. So here they have given the diameter. So you have made the radius. So divided by 2. Removing this point, you have made the fraction, and by cancelling, you have got 21 by 4 centimeter. And then they have given the slant height, that is L. So it is given 10 centimeter. You have been told to find the curved surface area. So that one is given by pi r l, and then by putting its value, you have got 165 centimeter square. Question number 2. Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area of a cone. If its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base. And diameter of its base is 24 meter. So here they have told you to find the total surface area of a cone. So you are to find the total surface area of a cone. If it's slant height, so that means L. So here slant height is denoted by L, so it is given 21 meter, and the diameter of its base. So the diameter of the base. So since the word diameter is used, so as you know it that the base is a circle. So the diameter is given 24. So you will get radius. Radius will be half of the diameter. So you will get 12 meter. Now they have told you to find the total surface area of the cone. So the formula is given. So the total. So T. This stands for total. So total surface area of the cone. This one is given by, so pi r into L plus r. So this is the formula to find the total surface area of the cone. So it is pi r is the radius, here L is the slant height. So they have given these two. So now putting this value of L and r in the place of the formula, you will get the total surface area of the cone. So now here solution. So for a cone, so here slant height is given 21 meter. So here the slant height denoted by L is equal to 21 meter, and the diameter of its base. So that means base radius. This one is given by r. So there will be half of the diameter. So 24 by 2, you will get 12 meter. Now you are asked to find the total surface area of the cone. So total surface area. So TSA, total surface area of cone. So this one is given by formula. So pi r into L plus r. So this is the formula for the total surface area of cone. So here radius is given 12. So it is given 12 into L. L is 21 plus r. So r is given 12 meters square. So equals to, so 22 by 7 into 12 into, so this one you will get 33 meters square. So by simplifying, so 22 into 12 into 3, 36, 12 into 3, 36 plus 3, 39. So divided by 7. So equals to, so 396 into 22. So it will be 12, 9, then 7. So 297. So it will be 2, 1, 78. So 8712. So 8712 divided by 7 meters square. So by dividing, you will get the answer in point. Whatever the answer you will get in point, that will be the total surface area of the cone. So the formula of the total surface area of cone is given by pi r into L plus r. So here r is the radius and here L is the slant height. So by simplifying, you have got the means answer 8712 by 7 meters square. So you will do in decimal. So that will be your answer. Question number 3. The curved surface area. So the curved surface area of a cone is 308 meters square and is slant height is 14 centimeter. Find the, this one is given in centimeter square. Find number 1, radius of its base. Number 2, it is the total surface area of the cone. here they have given the curved surface area of a cone is 380 centimeters square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find number 1 radius of its base. Number 2 the total surface area of the cone. So now let us take here they have given the curved surface area. So here the curved surface area so of the cone, so it is given 308 centimeters square. So this formula is given. So the curved surface area of a cone, that one is given by, so pi RL. So pi RL equals to 308. So this is the formula for the curved surface area of the cone. So given by pi RL. Now you see here they have given slant height. That one is given 40 centimeters. So it is given 40 centimeters slant height. That means they have given a value of L. So by putting the value of L, you will get the value of R, that is radius you will get. So just by putting this value of L, so and then by simplifying, you will get the value of R. Then so find the radius of its base. So whatever the value of radius you will get, that will be the answer for the first one, because they have told you to find the radius of its base. So here R is the radius. So by simplifying, putting the value of the formula, that is a curved surface area, that is given by pi r n, and by simplification you will get the value of R, that will be the radius. Next, the total surface area of the cone. So the total surface area of the cone is given by, so pi r into L plus R. So here, since they have given slant height, that is L, and from the first part you have got the value of radius, you will put it in the place of R, and by simplifying you will get the total surface area of the cone. So now they have given here slant height with the curved surface area. So by using the formula for the curved surface area, you are going to find out the value of R. Then finally you are going to find out the total surface area of the cone, which is given by pi r into L plus R, and then you will get the total surface area of the cone. So here they have given the slant height. Let us take the radius. Let base radius of the cone equals to say R, denoted by R, and they have given slant height. So slant height denoted by L equals to 40 centimeter. So they have given the first part, the curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeters square. So the curved surface area of cone equals to 308 centimeters square. 308. So 308. And now this curved surface is given by the formula, that is pi r L is equal to 308. So this gives, now here they have given the value of L. So by putting in place the value of L, you are going to get the value of R, which is the radius of the base. So here L is given 40. Now by cancelling, so 7 2, you will get 44 into R is equal to 308. So this gives the value of R is 308 divided by 44. So if you keep on cancelling, so now 44 into 7. 7 to 4, 28. 7 4 is 28 plus 2, 30. So directly divisible. So you have got 7 times. So equals to 7 centimeters. So radius of its base, you have got it 7 centimeter. So now the second one. So here this is the first one. Now you are going to find the second one. That is the total surface area. So TSA, so total surface area of cone, this one is given by, so pi r into L plus R. So now here the value of pi, so you just put it into radius. Radius is given 7 into slant height, that is L, divided by L. So 40 plus radius, you got 7. So you get centimeters square. Now by simplifying, so equals to, so these 2 7 will get cancelled. So here 22 into 14 plus 7, 21 centimeters square. So by multiplying, so you will get 462, so 462 centimeters square. So your answers are 7 centimeter base radius and your total surface area is 462 centimeters square. Now coming to the last one. Question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high, and the radius of its base, is 24 meter. Find number 1, slant height of the tent. So slant height of the tent and then number 2, the cost of the canvas required. The cost of the canvas required to make the tent if cost of 1 meter square of canvas is rupees 70. A conical tent is 10 meter high. Supposing this is a conical tent, just to assume it, that so the base is a circle. So this is a conical tent. So here the conical tent is 10 meter high. So the 10 meter high. That means here the height is 10 meter. So it's 10 meter. Then, and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Base radius is 24 meter. You just assume. So this is the base radius 24. This is the height 10 meter. Find the slant height of the tent. So you are to find the slant height. So that means you are to find the length of this side. That is the L. This one is called the slant height. So that means using the concept of Pythagoras Theorem, because this is a right triangular cone. So that means using the concept of Pythagoras Theorem, that is L square equals to H square plus R square, you will get the value of L. Then next part, find the cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 square meter of canvas is rupees 70. So here they have said that you are to find out the amount of money required for the canvas that is used to make the tent. So the tent is made with canvas cloth. So now how much area of canvas is used? So the canvas cloth they have not used on the base because they have made the tent only. So that means you are going to find out only the curved surface area, not the base, because on the base they have not used the canvas. Since they have made a conical tent, so this is the only conical tent, this part. So this part is called the curved surface area. So this part they have made with the canvas float. So you have to find the cost of the canvas required to make the conical tent with the cost of 1 square meter of canvas is ₹70. That means every 1 square meter of the canvas float that will cost 70 rupees. So before finding the cost, you have to find out the area of canvas used in making this tent. So since they have made the tent using only the lateral part, so they have made the canvas only on the lateral part, that is on this curved surface part, but they have not used the canvas on the base. So here you are not going to count the canvas. That means you are going to find out the area of canvas only on the curved surface area. Why? Because the canvas float they have not used on the base. So by using the formula of the curved surface area, you will get the area of canvas used in making this tent, and then finally you will find out the cost. Now solution. So for a conical tent, so here height say h, so it is given 10 meter high, so the height is 10 meter. Radius, so here base radius denoted by small r, so it is given radius of its base is given 24 meter, and then this is 10 meter high, so it is given 24 meter. Number 1, find the slant height of the tent. That means you are going to find out the value of L. So L is called the slant height. So we know that. So here L square. So this is a triangular cone. That is a right triangular cone. Using the concept of Pythagoras Theorem, you can get the value of L. So here L square equals to h square plus r square. So h square plus r square. So this one you have got it using the concept of Pythagoras Theorem. So that means to get L, that means the slant height. So root over h square plus r square, because you have removed the square. So equals to, now h is given 10, so it is 10 square plus r, so it is given 24 square. You will get here root over, so 10 square is 100 plus 24 square, you will get 576. So this gives, that will be 676. So you got L. So that means you will get 26 into 26. That means 26 into 26, you will get 676 equals to 26 meter. 26 meter. So you have got the value of the slant height of the conical tent. Second part, find the cost of the canvas. So to get the cost of the canvas, you are to find out where the canvas is going to be used. So this canvas float by which they are making this conical tent, so they have not used this canvas on the base. So the base is circular. That means you are not going to use the total surface area of the cone. Why? Because this base is not taken into account. You are not going to count this base. So they have made this tent, that is the curved surface part, using the canvas float. That is why to get the area of canvas, you are going to find out the curved surface area of the tent. Now, number 2, area of canvas used equals to, so that means how much area of canvas float is used in making this tent. So that will be equal to the curved surface area of the tent. Curved surface area of the tent. They have not used this canvas on the base of the tent. That is the conical tent. So they have only used on the vertical part. That is the curved surface part. So this one is given by pi RL. Pi RL into radius is 24 into L. So L you got 26 meters square. So here now it will be 24, 26. So 7, 24 into 22. So it will be 15928 divided by 7 meters square. So this is the total area of the canvas used in making this tent. So you have used the formula of the curved surface area of the tent. Now here they have given the rate of the cost. Now they have asked you to find out the cost of the canvas used. Canvas is used. So they have given that for 1 square meter of canvas, the cost is rupees 70. Just for making 1 square meter of canvas, just for using 1 square meter of canvas, they will pay 70 rupees. So for using this much area of canvas, so the area is more, so the cost will be more. So you are going to multiply. So then you will get the answer. Now, cost of 1 meter square of canvas equals to rupees 70. So 1 square meter of canvas cloth, that will cost 70 rupees. So therefore the cost of how much area? So this much. So it is 15928 divided by 7 meter square of canvas. So the cost will be more. Multiply. So 70 into, so it will be 15928 divided by 7. So by cancelling, you will get rupees. So it will be 10 into 15928. So this is 15928. So this will be the total cost of the canvas. So with this we have come to the end of the class. Thank you.